If you make mistakes, undo is a great help. For example, if you realize that the Facebook revenue here has a mistake, I could go select and delete the input. But if I want to keep it for now, I can undo my action. I'll go to the Quick Action toolbar and click the Undo button here. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus Z. This is an easy key stroke combination. This is undo my action, but it has more than that. If you click this little arrow, we'll have a choice from where we want to undo our action. We can undo up to 100 of our last actions. What if we need to return the undo? We have the redo button. The shortcut key for redo is Ctrl plus Y. We can redo from where we want to redo it. There are some exceptions actually that we undo and redo does not work. Like if we delete this tab and want to undo, we can do that. And in the view tab also, most action cannot be undo and redo. So this undo and redo are really handy and valuable tools. We could press Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y to access them for quick.